Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Today we're going to answer a question we get asked a lot. How do I know my CSpring Mk3 is actually on if the ring light isn't lit up? It's a great question, and it's easier to check than you might think. Let's jump right in. Users have the option to choose if the light is on or not. The first tap of the power button activates the water pump, and the second tap shuts off the light. The device will still fully stay powered on filling your water tank as shown here. You will also be able to hear it working even while the light is off. Additionally, even after double tapping the power button to turn the ring light off, the internal UVC sanitization light runs continuously in the background to prevent bacterial growth. That's all there is to it. For additional questions, don't hesitate to call our team at 866-414-9700. Thanks for watching.